Your activity today is a try it at home activity, and what you guys are going to be doing if you have the things at home is making a thumbprint ant. So here is the direction sheet, and you guys will not have a copy of this because you are at home. So you're just going to do it on a blank piece of paper. You can draw your own little ant hill and then make your fingerprint ant inside of the drawing that you make on your notebook paper or blank paper at home. So it says, my ants. Ants have 3 body parts, 6 legs, and 2 antennas. It says, press your finger on the 3 gray dots on the anthill below. They are the 3 body parts of your ant. Then draw 6 legs on your ant. Draw 2 antennas. Then you have an ant. Make more if you'd like. So what you guys are going to do is if you have any kind of paint or a washable marker at home, you guys can actually take your thumb and color it or dip it in some paint, and you can use it to press it on the paper and make 3 body parts, and then you're going to add 2 antennas and 6 legs to your ant to make a thumbprint ant. So it should look like this when you are done. I put a video right here you guys can watch that shows how they put their thumb in paint and how they make a little ant, and they also make some different types of insects if you want to give that a try. So it's just a try it at home activity today. Use your thumb to make a thumbprint ant. If you don't have anything to dip your thumb in, or you don't want to get your thumb messy with a marker, just draw your own ant, give it 2 antennas and 6 legs and 3 body parts, and then upload a picture of your work.